Hello, I would just like to show you the latest incarnation of the Autopilot plugin. So, Andrew Hazen is asking me about it here, right here, and so I'm going to run it for him. So, I just push this onto Launchpad. So let's give it a run. So now, when you go to Tools, you'll see that Autopilot, because there's not a project open, there are no tests available. As soon as you open up a project here, so let's open up this old version of the calendar app, and we'll go to Autopilot, and as you see, all the tests were added automatically. And when I run the test, it should. Sometimes it does take a while. There we go. It runs the test, and then it gives me a error output. Tells me if really you need to fix it. Ran one test, it failed. But you know what? That's an old version of the calendar app. So, anyways, so that's that. And if we go back to Autopilot, we'll see that it just gives you a check mark just to show you that this is something that you've run. Now, it doesn't mean that you're successful. Unfortunately, it'll be a little bit tough to determine whether a test was successful or not. So, but just to test this a little bit more, if we open up this one, YME, well, I've opened this up, and if we go to Autopilot now, you can see that all the tests are gone from calendar app, and now there's a test for this one. And it tells me that there's an error, and that's because I completely left that test in. It's just a template test, and I haven't changed that at all. Now this isn't working on everything so far, because unfortunately there's little uniformity within how the Autopilot tests are sort of created. So when I open up this terminal reboot, I was not actually able to capture any of the tests here. But if I go back and I go to the File Manager app, another old version of this, we should be able to. Aha. So let's do this. And that's very cool. Anyways, don't worry about commenting or giving me a thumbs up. Just have a very nice day.